So, hi guys. Cheers kami sa mango shake ni Amira. Cheers! Oh, Missy Mira.
Show mo kay mama.
Ano ba yan? Okay, so guys, mainit ang panahon, kaya meron kaming mango shake. Thanks kay Christian and Tracy. So, tikman natin. Yummy. Pati rin si Mira. Whoa, cheers! Yummy.
Hindi na nagsinis
Yummy!
sila ate. Hey, bottoms up!
Bottoms up! Some more? You want some more? There's more. Mira, there's more. You want some more? Huh? Oh, some more.
Yummy.
Ayaw na? Ayaw na ni Miyang. Hay, ito pa pala, kukunin pa pala niya, kaya pala naglagay doon. Yummy. Oh, akin na yan. Okay, are you done? Are you done? Are you full? Full. Full na. Yummy. Ano yung puso?
Pero
Pusod.
hindi yung weekend style
Pusod yummy yan? Ano? Busog?
Yung
Busog.
weekend kaya same rate kaya sila. Coco na lang tayo, ma.
Okay. Tingnan mo muna. Tingnan mo si Mira. Ang gulo nyo dyan, pero tingnan mo. Sige, may I see your stomach?
You're full?
Tingnan mo naman.
You're full?
You're full? Full na.
Ay,
What?
so hungry pa daw siya.
Hungry? Oh, hungry. Okay. Hungry or thirsty? Ano ba? Oh, yummy. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Oh, say bye, guys, again. Wag na. Tama na. Okay, bye.